first findandmount.com. you can download the software for repair your damaged flash drive. Now I download this software and install it. After install, I will run this software. Before start the software, you have to insert your USB flash in your PC or laptop. Now I have this USB drive. Need to format before open. Again, then format disk. So I don't want to format this because I have important data on this flash. In this case, I run the software partition find and mount. This is my USB disk flash. I'm going to scan. Use Thoron scan and click on scan button. After that, the scan will be start this orange color USB disk USB device. This will take time, so I make a fast forward. So now scan complete. After scan complete, you have to select partition 1 and partition 2. First I select partition 1 and then I select the drive name, click OK. After that, use partition 2. Same way, select right now I'm waiting to complete. There is processing to complete the change the driver later in partition 1. Now complete, but this partition should be blank. All data is stored in partition 2 of your flash drive. So mount as, select now drive N, then click OK. Now showing your all file which was stored in your flash. So now file was open with the name of drive N. So select your necessary file from flash drive, then copy to your hard drive. In this way, you can easily take data from your damaged flash, which are as always format your flash drive. So copy the file from here and then paste.